Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I'm making this video, is as I promised to you people that I will get back to all of you who contacted me on WhatsApp yesterday, telling me how you are interested in learning the web development program for free. So what I would just tell you is this: web development is not something that is difficult, and neither it is easy. It's just some basic concept. I will run you through the 3 basic and simple ways of coding a website. Then from there you can kickstart your career in web development. And again, as I earlier mentioned, this program will be a free program, and I will be running this on YouTube, on my channel on YouTube, and you have the link below. Starting tomorrow, I'll give you the days where I'll be uploading tutorials on web development from the beginners level to the top level. So the first thing I will do is to upload a rundown of the course. We will be learning coding in HTML, CSS in particular, and why not WordPress. And I will also send to you some videos of fully developed websites that I created, so you can see for yourself that it is really something good that you're about to study, and it will help you in future in your career. Thank you. Once more, I am Mr. Itumbe from Graphics Me.